Hey, if you don't receive notifications on your Galaxy Watch 7 from your phone, let me show you how you can try to fix this, and we've got actually few tips. The first one, I will highly recommend you to open a Galaxy wearable application and go into the watch settings and then open the notifications. Now go into the app notifications and simply be sure that you enable notifications from all of these apps that you want to receive notifications. So as you can see, as default, for some reason, notifications from some apps are actually turned off. So you can turn them on quickly with this switcher from every application that you have on your watch, like that. But from the phone, you got another switcher right here. There we go. But if it still doesn't work, I will highly recommend you to simply unselect this switcher. Be sure that this is actually with the gray color. And when you go into the advanced settings, I can also recommend you to turn on this option to turn on the screen for incoming notifications. And if it still doesn't work, I will check if you don't have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled on the phone, or for example, the focus mode. Because the Do Not Disturb mode actually block all incoming notifications, and once you turn it on your phone, you will don't receive any notifications on your phone and on your watch. And you will have to do the same on your watch, so simply you will have to go into the settings, you will have to go into the modes, and you have to be sure that the sleep mode and the theater mode are turned off. And the same with the Do Not Disturb mode, that will be located right here. There we go. So be sure that this is turned off. And this is it. This is all my tips that I can recommend you to change. And now you can tell me if it actually works. Please subscribe to my channel.